Well, most of retail may be facing hard times, but there is one economic bright spot out there, and that is manufacturing. Two of America's biggest manufacturers, Caterpillar and John Deere, having outperformed the broader market over the past month. And it's because American manufacturing, and globally, is starting to outperform as well. Steve Leisman joining us now with more on the manufacturing story. Steve.
Morning, Brian. The manufacturing sector, one of the parts of the economy undergoing a V-shaped recovery, and it's both in the U.S. and it's global. Yesterday's ISM, that's the Institute of Supply Management, that report hit 56, the highest level in 2 years. Production and new orders surging, and a good sign for the future. Customer inventories are seen as too low. They have to rebuild them. Joel Nareff of Nareff Advisors writes, the manufacturing sector is picking up some serious steam. Could start pushing housing for the number one driver of growth. Barclays reports this morning gains in its global manufacturing confidence index. It showed gains in Europe, Asia, and the Americas, all turning around. But Barclays says, for now, pent-up demand supports the recovery in manufacturing activity. However, it's too early to discount supply chain risks and COVID-19 resurgence. The rebound bodes well for the economic outlook, but it's not without its challenges like everything else in the economy these days. There are higher input and output prices, and that could be related to some supply constraints of getting the global supply network working again. Exports have not been a bright spot, and even in the ISM report, despite the huge gains, employment still remains negative. Autos are a good example. Sales fell from 17 million units to 8.8 million units in April at an annual rate, but they've rebounded, it was reported yesterday, to 15.1 in August. That's better than expectations. Still, they're about 2 million units below the February level. So the rebound, it's strong, it bodes well, but there's concern the data right now is picking up just the reopening, and it's a ways to go, Wilf, until we get actual growth.